tax season simply is the time when persons with other sources of income, employed persons with other sources of income, partnerships, companies, etc. are required to file their annual income tax returns for 2019 and to file their estimated returns for 2020. What is particularly different about tax season this year is that whereas our income tax due date is usually March 15th, because the 15th falls on the weekend, persons are expected to file these returns on Monday, the following Monday, which is March 16. Part of tax season is that Tax Administration Jamaica ramps up its public education activities, its tax support activities to help persons to meet their obligation. One of the major things that we have happening, and we have this every year, is our special taxpayer assistance program. Now, these are programs that many of our taxpayer education teams go out across the island to support persons who will be filing their income tax returns. What's a particular focus for us here in TAJ is that we're helping persons to register, to file and pay online. We will be helping them to file their returns. One of the things in particular that TAJ has done to augment this kind of support is to place e-filing stations or e-spots throughout our tax offices. So if persons don't necessarily have the capacity where they are, or they would like to get support while filing online, then they may visit any of our 16 locations that have these computer banks for persons to file their returns online. Once persons actually get onto our website, which is jamaicatax.gov.jm, we actually have what is known as a tax season hub. Now you may ask what is so special or what happens in the tax season hub. So it simply is a one-stop section for persons who are interested in tax season or who will actually be filing returns to get all the information they need. So we're talking about our news releases, we're talking about the schedule for the special taxpayer assistance program, we're talking about persons who may need to look at the forms, download the forms to file and pay their fair share. So they may visit the hub to actually also get information about these 16 locations. As well, it is important for persons to know that we have our very professional customer care agents where they can call into our customer care line at 888-829-4357. Our customer care agents will be able to help them to understand what some persons probably see as the maze and the sea of tax season. Of particular note as well, this tax season, Tax Administration Jamaica continues to broaden its social media footprint. So we are heavily invested in social media, and one of the things that we do in terms of pushing out that information is to reach out to persons through our social media handles on Twitter, which is @JamaicaTax, on Instagram, which is Jamaica Tax Online, on Facebook, which is Tax Administration Jamaica, and on YouTube, which is Tax Administration Jamaica as well. We are here to help persons, and this is why we are pulling out all the stops to ensure that no one is left behind, and we assist as many persons as we can. Anyone who believes that they may be lost, they need some kind of assistance, they can either call us or just visit your nearest tax office. We have taxpayer service personnel on hand to provide you with that kind of support. And in particular, the offices, the locations that house these e-filing stations, they will be able to use our computers as well as to have support on tap to get that kind of support. And because we continue to change the way we do business, our online filing filing infrastructure. We continue to ensure that it stands up to the stress test, to ensure that come what we call tax day, persons will be able to file and pay their fair share without any hassles at all. We encourage persons to file early because there is usually the tax day rush, and we want persons to stay ahead of that. Filing online, it's convenient, it's safe, it's fast, and it's really secure. So we encourage persons to file and pay the easy way.